Hello guys, today I am going to tell you on how to fix AI manga filter in TikTok. Normally, we can just directly search the manga filter on TikTok and just directly use it like this one. Yet, if you have a problem looking for the manga filter, your TikTok is probably not updated. So, go to your Play Store and search TikTok. Make sure to have your TikTok updated for you to have all the new features and filters. After updating, go back to your TikTok again and try to search for that filter. If you can't still see it, continue with this process. Tap here your profile icon. Tap these three lines and tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report Problem. Here, search Filter. Then tap Can't find certain filter or effects. And here, tap No. And tap Need more help. Now, put in here your concern. You can say, I can't find the Manga AI filter even though I am using the updated application. I really want to try this one, so kindly enable it for me. Thanks. And then, if you're done, tap this one to submit. You have to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours for the support in order to address your concern. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.